outfits that slay, but ain't trying to break the bank. Baby, I got the ultimate Fashion Nova haul for the girlies that's serving tropical heat, body, and vibes. If this is what you're looking for, sis, please stay tuned and watch to the end because, baby, when I say these outfits are eating, they're tea. Let's get on to it. Summer is calling, baby, and I have picked up some fire pieces from Fashion Nova that are serving beach vibes, manifesting vacations that you have been wanting to go on for a long time, y'all. Baby, I'm telling you, these outfits are tea and I'm ready to die. The first outfit that we have, you already know, is giving beach, it's giving Baddie. It's giving give me a mimosa and sit me on the beach with my feet in the sand, okay? Baby, I am loving this two-piece set right here. This is originally supposed to go with the wine tasting that we had, but apparently they moved the event inside, which was not a doozy for me. But y'all, inside and outside events are totally different for me, so your girl could not wear the vibe that she was going for. But baby, if I could have, whoo, you can't tell me she's not eating, okay? Tea is what the word is called, okay? This split is giving the sass and the chic that you're looking for when you're on a beach, okay? This little crop, this little bralette that you have right here, it gives you the little flaps right here so you're not too much exposing your little goodies up here, okay, y'all? You got a little tie right here in the back that gets you strapped, and you also got a tie right here to get them little titties up, okay? It's gonna give you the little ump that you need up there, because you know mine kind of down here, yeah. So this thing gonna get you up there, okay? And y'all, I'm just loving this little two-piece set that Fashion Nova has. And I have not shopped on Fashion Nova in so long, baby, and she got me back. She got me back with these pieces. I'm loving this split. It gave you a little tie right here. You can untie it if you want to. Y'all, it is very sheer. And it has like a little part right here so you're not showing too much up here. She came through with this one, and I am so loving it. Let's move on to the next. The next vacay slate we have, y'all, is this crockett dress. Oh my God, if I'm even saying it right. I am loving the body dip that it has right here for the hips, okay? Even though your girl's hips is slimmed down, but baby, these part right here is a doozy for me. I love it. I'm loving the down V-neck that they're giving you in the front and in the back, you guys. I'm loving the crochet all the way down to the bottom. I literally thought this was like an open part like this was, but it's not, and that gives it a more classy, sexy vibe that we're going for, okay? So y'all, it also has the little open part of the crochet all the way down to the bottom. It gives you like a little design right here in the middle so it won't be, you know, and I'm just loving it. It also gives you that design right here around the stomach area. And you guys, this outfit is just, it's giving body. It's serving beach. It's serving vacation that you've been manifesting for. And baby, now it's time to get these fits and start doing what you're trying to do for the summer, okay? Stop sleeping. It ain't no more inside. We outside this summer, okay? Baby, and this outfit is screaming, take me outside. Screaming, take me outside. So stop playing, y'all, and get this outfit because it's not too much to say. She's speaking for herself, period. Whoo, bookies, it took me forever to get this outfit on, but baby, once we found the picture, it came a doozy. I am loving this little gold silver, this little silver piece circle that we have right here in the middle. This top that we have, it's basically, it lets you know right here, this no tie up right here, it goes behind the neck and the tie part goes behind in the back. That's what your girl had to figure out because I'm thinking the top part goes up here and this goes around the back part. That ain't how it goes. So they let you tie it up and get your under control. You know, these baby, this is itty committee, titty bitty. You already know, itty bitty titty committee. You hear you? But y'all, I'm loving the little doozy of the little belt design that it has in the front. That is so cute to me. I love how far they go down to the bottom. They are hitting the floor, y'all. This is so cute for the beach. So cute for like a day when you're on vacation, somewhere when you're going to brunch. Baby, this is so cute. Taking errands while you're on vacation. Y'all, this is a vacation type outfit, okay? It's screaming vacation so many ways that I'm loving this little outfit, this jumpsuit. Like I said, Fashion Nova has stole me for again. I have not shopped with them for 2 years. So the fact that they are coming in and they're coming in hot, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Loving this little jumpsuit. But y'all, there's not too much to talk about. This is a size medium. And let's move on to the next vacay. Ooh, I got so livid from the other outfit because I could not figure out how that top went, but I'm gonna show the piece anyway. Let's get past it. All right, y'all. Ooh. This red Baddie right here is giving sass, sexy, and sophisticated, okay? It's giving her, take me out to dinner right now. Okay, baby, it's so vacation vibe, y'all. I'm loving this red jumpsuit down, okay? When I first put this on, I did not like the way that it was big right here, but your girl didn't even zip it up yet. And I don't even have it all the way zipped up right now, and she's snatching the body like she's supposed to, okay? Ah! Anyways, y'all, I'm loving this red jumpsuit. It has a tie right here. You can tie it any which way you want. Tie it in the front, tie it in the back. I'm not gonna mess with it right now because your girl ain't wearing it today. We're just showing it, okay? The pants legs come all the way to the ground, y'all. I love a wide leg pant. That is me all day, okay? All day. But y'all, this is a size medium. It's nothing too much about this outfit. It does have the little puff on your sleeves. You can take them out if you do. You don't like that type of style. And it's giving out of breath right now, y'all, because I swear, I struggle with that top. That's how mad I am. That's how livid I got with that top. I almost I almost broke it. Cause I'm like, Fashion Nova, what are you doing? Why is it so twisted, going any itch way? Ugh! Ah! All right, y'all. So yeah, this is a size medium, and let's move on to the next. This little cute black romper set is also screaming that vacay vibe, y'all. It's screaming we are out of town, baby, we about to go somewhere and we about to spend that money, okay? It's giving that New Year's expensive type of vibe. I do not have her all the way zipped up, you guys. And she's already snatching, she's already teased. So just imagine if it did get all the way back there, baby, she's snatching you. So make sure you get your size. Don't try to size down, don't try to size up, because it's gonna be too big. This is a size medium. I'm loving the little details that have of the shimmer inside of the sequins inside of the outfit. Hey, baby, it is front and back, okay? And I love how short the shorts are, because they're screaming the summertime, okay? I called her and she answered, period. So yeah, y'all, they give you a little extra crow neck right here with a little extraness. I don't know what this is called, but yes, the little layering of the top, I'm loving that part. I love any top like that gives you the extra layering over your top. You know what I'm saying? It gives you the extra sass. It is a strapless, not strapless, it is straps on it. You can tuck them if you want to, if you just want to do like a corset top, because it is giving that corset. It does have a corset right here or a built-in bra. You feel what I'm saying? But yeah, y'all, all in one. This is so cute. This is silk right here, y'all. I'm just loving the two dimensions of the colors they gave. It's all black, but it gives you a silk sequence right here, but you got the all black sequence at the bottom. Loving it. Chef's kiss, period, hands down. I love this little romper set, and this is giving vacation, baby. Stop waiting and call them, baby. Call them. Stop waiting and call them, okay? Y'all wait. All right, y'all, we have this silky little satin button-down two-piece set that we got from Fashion Nova. I am loving this little outfit. Oh, I just love the pants, most definitely, y'all. I have a pink pair like this, and I just love both of them. They are so stretchy. They are not too tight, baby. They are giving that linen and that type of vibe. I just love them. They come all the way down to the bottom. They have the top to go with it. It is a button-down. This is a size medium, and it's just giving that sass for the vacay, okay? It's just giving that whole vacation vibe. Like, you can wear it like this. Of course, you're gonna tie it like this. You're gonna do different ways with the button up to give this outfit a sass, because you're not gonna just wear it like this. You're gonna take this top, you're gonna flip it upside down, you're gonna wear it into like the little crow neck type vibe, okay? I'm telling y'all, it's so many different ways you can do with this set. A two-piece set is always the way to go. Never go wrong with a two-piece set, because you can take a two-piece set and turn it into 8 outfits. 4 on the bottom, 4 on the top. Stop playing. But y'all, yes, this is one of the outfits for vacay, and I feel like it was just such a vibe and such a sass to grab, okay? Because you're gonna need something solid. You might want something solid just in case you might want to go out to eat or something. You didn't feel like the other outfits for the doozy. I just feel like this is so cute. It's just all the way around. This does not even have to be for vacation. It's all the way around, y'all, and I'm just loving it. So yeah, told y'all these outfits were slaying in there, baby. When I say that I called some and they answered that phone. All right, y'all, this little two-piece set that we also got from Shein. Ooh, I'm loving this little outfit. No, I'm not altogether put up with this outfit because it is a little big right here, but that's because your girl has not put it together all the way, okay? It's just a try-on haul. Just see how it all looks, okay? So yeah, we loving this little flower that it's giving you, because this is like a blazer vest. I don't know, it's giving me, it is kind of giving me the blazer vest type of attire. It has the slacks and the pants to go with it. It does not have a scrunch in the back, so baby, get your size, okay? Get your size. So they are fitting. Just to let you know. Top runs a little bit big, but you already know when you come with a two-piece set, they're not going to separate and give you a size of each. You're going to have to do one solid size. So make sure that you get your exact size. But yeah, I'm loving this outfit. It has the buttons going down. It gave you a little flower to give it another oomph to your outfit. And I just love the blazer. I just feel like it's summertime. You need the sleeves off. And you can take this two-piece set, like I say, and turn it into 8 different outfits. So yeah, y'all, I'm loving this, loving this outfit down. This is a size medium, and everything will be linked in the description box below. With that being said, y'all, this was the last and final item in the haul. If you have not done so yet, go ahead and give your girl the thumbs up. Comment below what outfit you would take to vacation and what you like the most. Tell me, baby, I want to hear it. So don't forget to comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to give that girl the thumbs up. And most importantly, follow your girl on all platforms at Lakimbria Blakes, and click on that notification bell, baby. Because when we drop these videos, y'all are not showing when I post, okay? So click on that notification bell so when your girl drop, you are notified. Period. See you in the next video.
He's what you want.